I'd say it'd be best if you hang tight for a little bit.
Okay, this is my second wreck I saw in like 2 months.
Okay, that's fine.
I like instantly became traumatized because I saw a car flip over in front of me.
I'm by myself. I feel okay.
Sure.
Yeah, I'm out of wind.
There's a sergeant on the way.
Yeah.
Depending on y'all protocol, you might have to get transported.
Okay. Give me a sec.
Feeling woozy, bro?
No, I don't think so.
Hey, man, listen. It's not the time to. I know how you feel.
Ugh. I mean, the airbag kind of hit me, so it hit my vest. But my seatbelt was on though, and I mean, is he okay?
Yeah, they're working on it right now. I think they're just pinned a little bit.
Is he like life-threatening?
Let me go check it out. Are you good though?
Yeah.
You want to get checked out or anything? Yeah, feeling woozy, bro. Hey, if you're feeling lightheaded or something, we'll come check you out.
Okay.
Let me go make sure they're good. All right. Hey, I have a chair.
Yeah, I just want to make sure he's okay. Happened pretty quick. Yeah. She did. Aber, she saw.
I'm not gonna ask that. Good.
Hey, Aber, she's on this side.
I'm gonna have them come check you out.
I'm good for right now. Okay.
Are you gonna you think you're just gonna get like looked at, or do you think you're gonna get transferred?
I'm good. I mean, when the thing deployed,
smashed against you.
smashed against my groin area, so my groin just kind of hurts.
Y'all's bosses like our bosses are like, you're going to the damn hospital. Like,
I mean, I feel fine.
How do we take care of you?
I'm good for right now. I think you guys busted lip. I was wearing my seatbelt, so I mean the thing was. It happened so quick. I'm still trying to figure out what happened. So I was coming southbound on Shepherd, and then boom.
That we're here for you.
Yeah. I'm gonna have us in the shop, and then if the supervisor says he's gotta go.
So our ambulance dudes are back over here to check them out.
Is he okay?
Yeah. They're not horribly bad.
Okay. I got you.
Just go lock yourself in the shop.
No records will be needed on Shepherd and Thornton.
Did you see what happened? Do you mind staying and speaking with that officer real quick? And
43 on my records. No records, Shepherd and Thornton. No records needed on Shepherd and Thornton. The Beltway, no, E6. My apologies, that was 22 I know records, Beltway, E6, no records, Beltway.